Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your AC remote from Fahrenheit to Celsius. This is an easy method that works for many common air conditioning units. First, find the mode or temp button on your remote control. Next, press and hold this button for about 5 to 10 seconds. You should see the temperature display on your remote switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. It's a quick and simple adjustment. For some air conditioner remotes, you might find a small, dedicated button specifically for changing temperature units. This button is often labeled F/C or has a similar indicator. Sometimes, it's a recessed button, meaning you'll need a small pointed object, like a pen or a paperclip, to press it. A single press of this button should immediately switch the display between Fahrenheit and Celsius, making it very straightforward. If the previous methods don't work, your air conditioner's user manual is an excellent resource. It contains model-specific instructions for changing temperature units, which can vary between brands. Look for sections on remote control functions or display settings. Additionally, sometimes a full remote reset can help. This usually involves removing the batteries, waiting for about 30 seconds, and then reinserting them to clear any temporary glitches. Understanding the conversion between Fahrenheit and Celsius can be helpful. To convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, you subtract 32 from the Fahrenheit temperature, then divide the result by 1.8. For instance, 77 degrees Fahrenheit is equivalent to 25 degrees Celsius. Remember, the goal is to set your air conditioner to a temperature that feels comfortable and efficient for your space, typically between 22 and 25 degrees Celsius.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.